Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, I speaking name of the Allah. But I request or I pray to my Allah in the world. Any person always happy, healthy, or safe. It is very beautiful, very nice. India 10 paisa coin. So cute, so nice. It is very hard, or it is very heavy. India 10 paisa. Year is 1965 without scratches. Very beautiful coin, nice condition. It is very class one time classic 10 paisa in India 1965. So please share, comment, like my video or subscribe my channel. Many thank you so much. Anyone, all supporter, anyone, all subscriber, anyone, all my dear brother. I understand not my voice good, not video good, without good music, without good English or without music, all video. But like or support any or every time, all subscriber or anyone, all support anyone, all person. So many hardly thank you so much. Anyone, all my dear brother. Thank you.